Hello guys, I'm making another video today. Since yesterday I thought maybe I'll make an update video every single day. So yeah, here we are. So anyway, I'll do what I usually do. So well, today on 26th November, I didn't do much today. In fact, I didn't do anything at all. I bought um, mock and sectionals for XAT from Krakow today. They were 999. I bought them yesterday, but I had some issues with misinputting the email, which got fixed today, so I can finally access them. So that's the first thing I did yesterday itself after making my video. The second thing I did yesterday was to look up uh, how that exam works. And what I learned is that XAT has 3 to 5 sections. One is DM, which is decision making. Decision making. GK, general knowledge. And we have, what else do we have? We have DI and quants together. We have LR. And we have language or VARC as usual. So out of these, this is the most newest thing that I've seen. I've heard these questions are very tricky. Often the marks are like in single digit, which may make sense given that only awards 1 mark for a correct answer. GK I've heard is non-scoring, as in the score doesn't matter. But still, especially with GDPI season coming up, I have to work on my general knowledge, and basically I call it worldly knowledge of geopolitics and economics and whatever is going on around the world. So DI and quants I've heard is very similar to CAT. So yeah, LR I'm not sure even if it's LR or is it combined with DI and quants. So that might be something only I am thinking. And then there is language. Language, interestingly, except everything else, which CAT did, it has a poem RC, which will have 2 questions, I think. And it has grammar. I don't think it has vocab. So, well, that was what I did yesterday, actually. So I should have maybe called this 25th instead of 26th. I'll pull this up. 25th. Yep. Today I didn't do much. I was feeling heavy in the head, so I was busy. I was thinking about registering, but I'll let you know more. Basically, what happened. So today, since I made a mistake with my entering my email, I had to fix the Krakow issue, which I finally they did, and I'm glad they did. Um, I learned about that properly. Um, speaking of that, that also has the marking scheme. Oops, too big, too big. It also has a marking scheme of +1, -0.1, and -0.25. Yeah, -0.25. +1 if you do the question correctly, of course. Minus 0.25 if you do the question wrongly. This minus 0.1 is a bit tricky to explain, but the idea is that when you leave questions, even that is counted as negative. So basically, the idea of that is you attempt as much as you can from the paper. So if you leave, let's say, 8 questions, not let's say, but if you leave 8 questions, you won't get anything negative. But as soon as you start leaving more than 8, so ninth question will be minus 0.1, 10th will be minus 0.2, 11th will be minus 0.3, and you will keep going on and on and on and on. And yeah, like that, if you leave 18 questions, you will get minus 1. So the idea behind this marking scheme is that you attempt as many questions as you can. So that's what I saw. But oh well. Um, so yeah, second thing I did was look at NMAT because well my NMAT is very close. NMAT has 3 sections. First is language again. Language has grammar and vocab and RC, I think. Did I wrote grammar? Okay, it's yeah. Okay, fine. So grammar, vocab, RC is what I saw. This section is 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Uh, then there is reasoning. This is 40 minutes. And this has LR basically with other kinds of stuff coming in, like blood relations. And I can't remember more, but I saw what other things come, but it's basically LR. And then there is quants. Quants is 30 minutes. So that's the thing. Both with XAT and NMAT, there is no order in which you have to do the thing. Like with CAT, you have VRC first, then DILR, and then quants. That's the only order you can do it in, and each section has 40, 40, 40 minutes each. In these two exams, you don't have any specific order. You can attempt in whichever order you want. The only thing with difference being that XAT is all the way open. You have a set number of questions and you have to solve them in 3 hours and get it done. While in NMAT, you have to pick a section first, I think. And once you pick it, you have to do your questions. I don't think there is a limit on the number of questions there are there because this is an adaptive exam. That's a very important point. Adaptive. Adaptive. There you go. Adaptive exam. Basically, once you solve a question, if you do it correctly, the next question is gonna be harder, which will carry more weightage. If you do it wrong or decide to skip that question entirely, um, you will get an easier question but with a lower weightage, and that's how you approach things. That unlike that, NMAT does not have negative marking, so you can guess. But then again, you can only do so many guesses. So that's how it is. My I still have to register for that. I think that is on 5th Jan, and NMAT is on 4th of December for me, so very close. And yeah, I had to start studying. Today I had to start with my XAT mocks, but I was just too mentally tired, so I didn't start today. Maybe I'll start with few sectionals or at least start learning decision making on YouTube. So that's what I'll do before sleeping at least. So yeah, these are the 2 days dates I have. Snap. I also am giving Snap. Snap is on 21st. So yeah, and then I know CMAT I still have to register. I'm not sure if I'll give it, but it's around 25th Jan, I think. So well, these are the dates. But yeah, that's what I did today. And yeah, before I sleep, I think I will tackle decision making. And if not anything else, I was supposed to write an XAT mock today, but oh well. So at least I'll do decision making. I still have to register for that, so I'll do that. I'm just waiting for something. Basically, I filled a college called GLIN. It's called Great Lakes. I filled it accidentally. I still have to fill it fully. I've paid the money. They are asking for a reference, so I'm conversing with my. I'm not conversing yet, but I have to talk to my boss so that I can get a reference. So yeah, uh, I'm just waiting for that. If nothing, I'll just fill the ZAT anyways into tomorrow, day after, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too much done today. Uh, Tomorrow I will maybe write sectionals for XAT since I didn't do anything today. Um, and then day after I'll write NMAT, and yeah, I have a strategy in mind. I'll keep making videos every day. So I guess sorry, I will keep you guys updated with what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope we can all prepare well for the things that are ahead. Thank you.